Hopefully, if you've been with us a while, you can kind of see I really hate doing things over again,
Yeah.
especially if they're the same. Like, I feel like I have to continue to learn and get better. I don't know if we talked about it, but now we have hats, we have t-shirts, we got a logo on the back. Like, I'm always trying to get better. I want our stuff to look better. I want our information to be better. I want to be the best in this space now. Teaching wasn't really on the radar. Now that we've been doing it, we've gotten a lot of good feedback. Now I want to be the best. That's just how I am. I think that Daniel likes to travel. I like to work hard so that they can go, oh, Steven, I know that guy. I trust him. No problem. I'll sign up for whatever he's doing. I'll listen to him. I want to be in that same realm of a lot of other people that I hear talked about. I think the circle that I run in, especially with the real estate guys that have been around for a long time, my name and my
work ethic.
Yeah. I want that to shine through of everything that I'm doing. I don't want anybody to go, oh, I've heard that before. I hope not. I hope even if you go back and watch that video that I put up, that was our very first one, that was almost a year ago, you can see the amount of change. I want next year when we do this video that they look back and go, oh my gosh, look how horrible that looks. Look at that. That shirt looks bad. That hat looks bad. The background looks bad. Like, I'm always wanting to improve. So
yeah, no, we like Susan said, we always try to overvalue things. We know that we're still like fairly new in this space. We're still like figuring out pricing and all that, but the biggest thing that we always want to make sure that we're doing is providing value for you guys. So even if the information, even if we taught the exact same thing,
which ain't gonna happen,
yeah, we would find new ways to add value to that. If you've been a part of anything that you do, we know we've always like put in like bonuses or things that we think will help you just along the way. We're very willing to adapt to whatever feedback we're getting, even inside of the course day by day. I think that's something that we do a good job of, making sure that we try to help everybody. We truly care about you guys having success with this. Like we said, where it's not just, you're buying this course and it's all just like pre-made content and we're never in there. Like, it's our faces every morning that you're going to be seeing. It's us having real conversations with you guys. So I think there's a lot of value in that.
We want our slides to look tight. We want everything to look good. We've had a lot of problems with the programs and stuff that we use. That's kind of driving me crazy. I really want a good solution. I think we're going to go back to Zoom because that's what everybody's kind of telling us. We started with that and it gave us a lot of problems, but we're going to go back to that. We want, like, when we do the slides and the over shoulder, everything to look clean and crisp. I care about that, and Nathaniel's a perfectionist, so nothing's going to come out looking half
baked.
There you go. I was gonna cuss, but after you put that video there with all the cussing, people were like, "Oh, that's not good."